Some basic materials are required to make a splint. A SAM splint, padding such as a jacket or sweatshirt, and something to provide compression, such as an ace wrap, bandanas, or cordage. There are 7 steps in properly splinting an injury. Expose the injury, control any bleeding and clean the wound, check circulation, sensation, and movement, pad the affected extremity, add rigidity, wrap tightly in an easily adjustable way, recheck CSM and adjust if compromised. Step 1. Expose the area to see the full extent of the injury. Step 2. Control bleeding and clean any wounds. It is important to thoroughly clean all wounds as they are prone to infection. Step 3. Check circulation, sensation, and movement. Step 4. Properly pad the affected area. Step 5. Add rigidity to stabilize the injury. Step 6. Wrap the area tightly to hold splint and padding together in a way that can be easily adjusted. The final step is rechecking the CSMs to make sure the splint is not disrupting blood flow. Adjust the splint if necessary.